First, subject Maths. Hello student, I am Jyoti Singh. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Study and enjoy at home. Yes, today we will learn a new topic, sequence event by time. A sequence is the order of the events. Now student, we will learn daytime and nighttime. Daytime, the time of the day between sunrise and sunset. During the day, we see the bright sunny day and clouds in the sky. Nighttime, the time between evening and morning, the time of darkness. We see moon and star in the sky at the night. Parts of the day. When the sun rises is called morning. When the sun is overhead is called noon. When the sunset is called evening. When there is a moon and star in the sky is called night. Student, we will learn some daily routine with the help of pictures. First, I wake up in the morning, then brush a teeth. After that, take a bath. Eat a breakfast, get ready and go to school. Then I study, eat, tiffin and play at school. Then come back from school. I play, take a dinner, sleep at night. Now student, here are some pictures. We will put them in the order of when they happen. I will use numbers to show that order. I wake up in the morning first, go to school second, play with friends third, sleep at night fourth. Student, look at this picture and some word written below it. Ball hit, play a ball, break in pieces the pot. Are you able to understand anything? No. So, we will put in a correct order. I will use the number to show that order. The pot is kept on the floor first. The Sam is playing with the ball second. The ball hit the pot third and the pot break into the pieces fourth. So, the pot was kept on the floor and the Sam was playing with the ball and the ball hit the pot and the pot break into the pieces. So student, now you understood? Yes. So after arranging in a correct order, we understood the picture. Now let's see one more example. Now in this example, what do you understand after seeing this picture? Yes, the girl wants to grow a plant. Is it the correct order to grow a plant? No. So let's put them in a correct order. Again, I will use the number to put in a correct order. She will put the soil into the pot first. Then she will sow a seed into the soil second. Then she will water the sapling daily third. At last, the plant will grow into the pot fourth. Now student, look at this example. In this example, the boy is washing his hand, having some snacks, playing in the park and drying his hand. Is it correct order? No, it is not in a correct order. Shall we put in a correct order? Okay. So again I will use the number to show the correct order. So first picture, playing in the park first, washing hands second, drying hands third, having some snacks fourth. So after playing in the park, we come at home and washing our hands. After that, we drying our hands with the help of towel, and after that having some snacks. Now student, look at this picture and word given below it. Shall we make one simple story by arranging the picture and word in correct order? Okay. The boy fall on the road first. Then he cleans his dirt hand with water. Second. Then he goes to the doctor to seek medical help. Third. Then the doctor put some ointment and bandaged his hand. Fourth. So we understood this simple story after putting the word or picture in correct order. Now student, look at this picture. What do you understand by looking this picture and word? Yes, bread and jam. Do you like to eat bread and jam? Yes, I like to. So, is it the correct order to make bread and jam? No. So, shall we put in correct order? Okay. We need 2 slices of bread, jam and knife first. Then, spread the jam on the slice of the bread on each side with the help of knife. Second, then cover the slice of the bread by putting on each other. Third, at last we enjoy our favorite jam and bread. Fourth. Now student, what do you understand after looking this picture? Yes, there is a birthday party of someone. Is it the correct order to have a birthday party? No. So shall we arrange in a correct order? Okay. So student, to have a birthday party, what we need first? Yes, cake. So we keep the cake first on the table first, then we decorate the cake by putting a candle on it. Second, then we sing a birthday song for a birthday girl. Third, at last the birthday girl cut the cake and we all enjoy birthday party. Fourth, today Tom has a running race competition. So, is it the correct order to have a running race competition? No. So, now we will put in a correct order. So, the Tom has to be in a ready position to have a race first. Then, he has to be a race with his competitor. Second. Then, he crossed the end line. Third. At last, he got the medal because he is a winner. Fourth. Now student, it is a time of activity. Now student, in this activity you have to make pizza. So, some picture is given. It is not in a correct order. So, you have to cut and paste it into a correct order. Circle the activity we do in the morning. Circle the activity we do in the afternoon. Circle the activity we do in the evening. Circle the activity we do in the night. Now it's your homework time. Put the pictures in order. What happened first, next and last. Write the number to sequence the actions. Sequence the picture in correct order 1, 2, 3.